Have you ever encountered an error while working on your web app, only to feel completely stuck? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you just want everything to run smoothly. If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Polymer web apps deployed on Firebase hosting. I totally understand how annoying it is when your routing works perfectly, but error page handling just doesn't cooperate. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges, and today, we're going to tackle it together. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user has a Polymer web app hosted on Firebase. They notice that while routing between views works, the error page handling does not. They even provided a minimal example that reproduces the issue. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this issue? It seems that when a non-existing page is requested, Firebase is returning an HTTP 200 response instead of a 404 error. This can confuse Polymer, leading to the error message about base URL being declared multiple times. Let's break this down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you fix this issue and improve your app's error handling. To address the issue with the error page handling in the Polymer web app, the user should first modify the Firebase hosting configuration. This involves ensuring that the rewrites are set up correctly to handle 404 errors. Next, the user should ensure that the custom 404 page is correctly referenced in the Firebase configuration. This will allow Firebase to serve the custom error page when a non-existing route is accessed. After updating the configuration, the user should deploy the changes to Firebase. This can be done using the Firebase CLI, which allows for easy deployment of the updated settings. Finally, the user should test the application by accessing a non-existing route. This will help confirm that the custom error page is displayed correctly instead of the syntax error. Did you know? The first web page ever created is still online. It was published by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 and is a simple text page about the World Wide Web. We've come a long way since then, but error handling still trips us up sometimes. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests modifying your firebase.json file to handle routing correctly. Instead of redirecting all traffic to index.html, use a rewrite rule that only targets the root. This way, Polymer can manage 404 errors properly. The user also notes that the error base URL has already been declared occurs because index.html is being loaded multiple times. Adjusting the rewrite rules will help prevent this issue. Let's move forward and look at another answer. One alternative solution is to create a custom 404 page. According to Firebase documentation, you can simply add a 404.html to your project's public directory. This page will be displayed whenever a user tries to access a non-existent page. To address the base URL error, if you have access to the code, you can modify the line that declares base URL. Instead of declaring it again, use a conditional assignment to avoid the error. However, the user believes that resolving the 404 page issue may also eliminate the base URL error. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your Firebase configuration is set up to handle 404 errors properly. This small adjustment can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With the right configuration, your Polymer web app should handle error pages like a pro. Remember, proper error handling is key to a great user experience. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing your web app.